Hello, Algebra 1B students. Taking a look at Unit 2, Lesson 10, Cumulative Practice Problems. We're looking at slope here. And it says of the three lines in the graph, one has slope 1, one has slope of 2, and one has a slope of 1/5. Label each line with its slope. So this line is going to be the slope 1. So make sure you label this one 1 because it goes up 1 over 1, up 1 over 1, up 1 over 1, up 1 over 1, all the way up. That's 1 over 1. So 1 over 1 equals a slope of 1. This line is a positive slope also. It's going up, but notice it goes up 2 over 1, up 2 over 1. It's kind of hard to see, the lines didn't print out very well, but you can see it goes up 2 over 1, up 2 over 1. This is going to be a steeper slope. A slope of 2 is twice the steepness as 1, so we're looking at that one as a slope of 2. This one, 1/5, is going to be real shallow steepness, but it is going to be positive. It's going to be going up. So here's a point where it crosses perfectly, with my x coordinate and my y coordinate right here, whatever these coordinates might be. And it goes up 1 over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, where it crosses perfectly on an x coordinate and a y coordinate. So it's up 1 over 5. So this is my 1/5. Taking a look at number 2, draw 3 lines with slope of 2 and 3 lines with slope of 1/3. What do you notice? Well, here's my 3 lines with a slope of 2, so up 2 over 1, up 2 over 1, up, and just draw a couple more parallel lines. Just make sure they're up 2 over 1. I'm not sure why we're drawing 3 lines, but we are. And then 3 lines with slope 1/3. So I'm going to go up 1 over 3, up 1 over 3, up 1 over 3, and a couple more parallel lines. So what you notice is that slope 2 is steeper than the slope of 1/3. So a slope of 2 is much steeper than a slope of 1/3, or whatever you notice, if you notice something differently. And then number 3, the figure shows 2 right triangles. For each triangle, calculate the vertical side over the horizontal side. So RTS it goes up 2 over 4. So it's, up 2 over 4. And then XZY goes up 3. I like to do it this way, up 3 over 6. Both of those triangles, the slope is 1/2, and they're attached to the same line, if you noticed. So yeah, they're going to have the same slope, and that slope is 1/2. So what is the slope of the line? Well, the slope is 1/2. It goes up 1 over 2. Is the slope? Explain how you know. Well, the line rises up 1 and over 2 from point to point. So, going from this coordinate, it goes up 1, 2, and goes over 1. It's going to go, from this point up 1 over 2, up 1 over 2, up 1 over 2, and I'm going to always end up at a point where it's crossing an x and y coordinate. So that's what I mean by the line rises up 1 and over 2 from point to point. So hopefully this helps with your lesson, Unit 2, Lesson 10, and keep on figuring out that slope.